Hi, welcome to Imagine More with Thumby. I'm Eli, and today I'm taking over my mom's channel. I will be doing a science project called a spinning whirlpool. Here's what you'll need. You'll need 2 large empty water bottles with their caps, some strong tape, any colored food coloring, some scissors, a funnel, and some water. Have an adult use the scissors to make a ½ inch hole in both of the caps of the bottles. Step number 2, add food coloring. Step number 3, use the funnel to pour into the bottle. To make it darker, add some more food coloring. Number 4, screw both caps on each water bottle very tightly. Number 5, place the empty bottle on top of the bottle with the food coloring water on top of the same hole. Make sure you mark the hole and get an adult to help you tape it up. Make sure the water doesn't leak out. Step number 7, flip the bottle over. It's leaking. Begin spinning the bottle to make the whirlpool. Can you see the vortex?
How did you feel about the experiment?
Happy.
Happy? Were you happy? You look not so happy doing the experiment. What didn't work properly in our experiment?
The whirlpool. The tape. It leaked.
Why do you think the water wasn't going down properly? What other mistake happened do you think we did wrong?
The holes weren't matched up.
Yeah, and whose fault was that? No, you didn't do it. I did it. It's my fault.
Mom's tried to fix it with better holes and small bottles.
Oh, wow, we did it.
Okay guys, thanks for watching Thumby's channel. Goodbye.